What's up guys, your boy Brian Tong here talking about the Galaxy Watch, a new piece of hardware that Samsung announced here at Unpacked. So it looks pretty similar to the previous S3. You'll still have that really cool physical dial interface that you can scroll around to move and navigate through the actual Galaxy Watch. But what this brings is another high-res AMOLED display. It has Corning Gorilla DX glass. It's also water resistant, so you can actually even swim with it. The other feature here, LTE, so it has a data connection that you can always access info. You don't need a phone to use the new Galaxy Watch. Also, battery life is gonna be huge here. They say you're gonna get several days in a single charge. The previous S3, they advertised it as 4 days of battery, but you're really only getting 2, so I'm really curious to see how much more this actual watch does. It can detect different types of exercises that you're automatically doing. They said up to 6 of them. You'll also get heart rate auto tracking. That's kind of standard in smartwatches these days. It also has sleep tracking, but when I look at this thing, it is so big, it's like, who's gonna really sleep with this thing on? I'm not sure, there's someone out there. But right now there's no price point, there's no availability when the Galaxy Watch will be coming, but it will be coming soon. But just wanna give you kind of the lowdown of your first look at the Galaxy Watch from Samsung Unpacked.
날 위해서라면 늘 슬퍼도 기쁜 척할 수가 있어